my name is Rich D'Alessio. We're here at my coffee shop here in Costa Mesa, California, right on the border of Newport Beach, California. I'm very happy with the quality of the product. This is my second Elite screen. It's got a gray screen as opposed to the white screen, which allows for better visibility under ambient light. I can dim the lights to get a really movie-like picture, but I can also leave the video showing with the house lights on, and you don't really lose any visibility. Not only do we have the lights on, but you've got the sun shining through the front windows. It has no adverse effect on the quality of the picture. Installation was surprisingly simple. It's basically 2 brackets with 4 bolts per. If you're going into a stud, it's simple, just drill and screw right into the stud. I'm also very happy with the workmanship, the design. The motor is very quiet. The frame itself is high quality metal, it's not plastic. I'm very happy with the quality of the product.
Get the big picture.